Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your GPU model and driver version so you know what you're fixing. Once done, download and install the latest manufacturer drivers using a clean install option when offered so old files do not conflict. Make sure Java used by Tlauncher matches recommended versions and allocate appropriate RAM, for example 4G, in the launcher settings. These immediate steps remove most compatibility basics and prepare your system for the deeper fixes next. Now you dig into configuration. Force Tlauncher to use the dedicated GPU through Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel so the wrong adapter isn't used. Then edit the JVM arguments inside Tlauncher, add or remove module flags to resolve Java module errors, and ensure the correct Java executable path is selected. Make sure to try toggling rendering modes, for example switching between OpenGL and DirectX, or enable compatibility mode for older cards. Finish by launching the game and watching the Tlauncher logs for explicit error codes or missing library names, because they tell you exactly what to replace or reinstall. If problems persist, reinstall Tlauncher or Java after backing up profiles. This clears corrupted files. As a final isolation step, create a clean OS user profile or boot safe mode to rule out third-party software conflicts. If you still hit the incompatible video card error, the key troubleshooting tip is: verify the GPU meets Minecraft or modpack minimums and try a different driver series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.